Welcome everyone to another Innistrad Midnight Hunt pre-release pack opening. Let's get on and do it and see where we go. As we slowly open them. Oops, knocked the camera, my bad. Let's get the dice. Alright. We have a foil Pithing Needle. Very nice. Alright, let's set these aside and let's start with pack number 1. Alright, pack number 1 starts with an Arrogant Outlaw, a Return to Nature, Abandon the Post. We have Startle, Olivia's Midnight Ambush, Howl of the Hunt, Festival Crasher, Shadow Beast Sighting, Search Party Captain, Morning Patrol, and Ominous Roost. We have Purifying Dragon, Join the Dance, and our mythic is Enduring Angel. Very nice. We have a Plains, a Wolf token, and our alternate token. Let's head on to pack number 2 of this pre-release opening. We have Celestus Sanctifier, Component Collector, Crawl from the Cellar, Duel for Dominance. We have Stuffed Bear, Lampholt Harrier, Locked in Cemetery, Gavony Trapper, Shady Traveler, Ghoulish Procession, Brood Weaver, Kessig Naturalist, a Falcon Wrath. Pit Fighters are rare. Discard a card, sacrifice a vampire, draw 2 cards. Very interesting. And we have our Forest, a foil Baneblade Scoundrel. We have a human token and our other token. Let's head on to our next pack. We have a Storm Rider Spirit, No Way Out, Bramble Armor, Pax Betrayal, Shipwreck Sifters, Voldaren Stinger, Hobbling Zombie, Candle Trap, Arden Elementalist, Baithook Angler, Ritual of Hope, Rite of Oblivion, Outland Liberator. Our rare is Slogurk the Overslime. We have a Mountain, and we have a Wrenn and 7 emblem. Very nice. Let's see what's next in our packs of cards. We have a Duress, Timberland Guide, Silver Bolt, Falcon Abomination, Vampire Interloper, Dawnheart Rejuvenator, Candlegrove Witch, Brimstone Vandal, Tireless Holler, Firmament Sage, Thermal Alchemist, Dawnheart Wardens. We have Tovolar, Dire Overlord. Very nice. Check it out. We have an Island, a foil Shady Traveler. Look at those werewolves. And then we have a Day and Night token and our other token. Let's head on to the next pack. In our next pack, we have Might of the Old Ways, Hedge Witch's Mask, Electric Revelation, Devious Cover-Up, Blade Brant, Tapping at the Window, Oregon Hoarder, A Homestead Courage, Stolen Fatality, Tavern Ruffian, A Field of Ruin, Dryad's Revival, Covered Cutpurse. Our mythic is Sigarda, Champion of Light in the beautiful art. We have a Plains and our tokens. The final pack. Let's see what we get. First up is a Soul Guide Grift, a Flip the Switch, Siege Zombie, Snarling Wolf, a Jack-o'-lantern, Consider, Defenestrate, Unruly Mob, Immolation, Lunarch Veteran, Foul Play, Diregraph Rebirth, Heirloom Mirror. I do like the backside of this where the demon comes out. And our rare is Mask of Grizzlebrand. Crypt creature has flying and lifelink. Whenever crypt creature dies, you may pay X life, where X is its power. If you do, draw X cards. Very nice card. We have a swamp and our tokens. Thank you for joining me on this pre-release pack opening. Stay tuned for more.